Yeah? I don't know where Daddy's at. Let me push you. Oh, there he is. I see him. He's over there by the windows. We're gonna get on there next.
This is the best part of the whole day, huh?
You see the kids in there? They're waving their hands.
Look at your little face. Look at your little face.
Are you ready to go on the train ride?
We're about to go on the train ride.
Tell Mommy.
Gianna. She's mad because she wanted to go on the caboose all by herself.
Not in the caboose.
Yeah, she wanted to go in the caboose, and I told her it's locked.
They don't let nobody in there. It's not a real one.
So we're sitting in the blue car. Who's with you today, Gianna? Who'd you bring? Who is that?
It's a special day for Boots. He gets to ride on the train with Gigi.
All right, we're gonna get ready to go.
Keep your arms length on the train at all times. Here's the engine. Thanks, enjoy your ride. All aboard!
We're leaving the depot. There's the water tower. What? We're riding on the tracks on the train. We're going for a train ride. Yeah?
There's the playground. There's the jumper.
Gianna was trying to join that party over there and run to the jumper.
Oh, look, there's Dora and Boots and the table.
We're gonna go on the bridge now. Yep, here we go. Oh yeah, this little secluded area. Yeah, but it's away from the playground. Away from the playground. Because we're going to come up to the other playground and he's warning the kids so they can hear. Oh, sorry, we're crossing the sidewalk.
I like that. That's very nice of you, Mommy. I still want to go on
There's a fellow vlogger.
What?
No.
waiting for the next train. There's the carousel we got on. There's the tower.
Let's go up there.
Yeah?
Yeah, let's go up there.
Oh, we're going in the tunnel. Oh, we're not. He tricked us.
Oh.
What is it, Daddy? You get some ice cream?
We got a whole
This
other
place is big. I didn't even realize this was over here.
see one of these small ones.
There's the train museum. I think it's broken though today, the little kid one. I think they're working on it. It's not fixed. There's another vlogger. Oh, three of them.
These are little train tracks.
Hey, look. Oh no, the little train's working. Look, it's over there.
Can I go on it?
I think you can.
Yeah.
Let's go on
There it is.
Let's go on it.
Okay, when we go back, you can go on it.
Oh, that's for somebody's birthday.
That's the jumper for somebody's birthday.
You get a big like, there's a slide and everything.
Oh yeah. An obstacle course.
Not off. Your next birthday, we're gonna have it here. Want to?
Yes.
Not this one, your next one.
When you turn 4.
Turn 4.
When you turn 3, we're going to Chuck E. Cheese. Oh, we are going in the tunnel.
Okay, here it comes. See it?
There's the tunnel. Where is it? Oh, there it is.
Yeah.
Are you ready to go in the tunnel?
Yes.
Whoa.
Stuck in there. Stuck.
We need to rent a volleyball net. It's right here.
We made it. We made it out.
Let's go on the tower now.
That was fun.
When we get off the train. All right.
Our train ride's over. Did you like it?
Yeah.
Say bye.
Bye.
Look at mommy's camera.
I don't know.
Strawberry.
Yes, you do.
You said it was your favorite.
Yeah. Strawberry.
Is it good?
Don't let, yeah, back up. Don't let your ice cream touch the
Daddy,
table.
what kind did you get?
What? Record that way.
What kind did you get? Soft serve, what'd you say?
Frozen yogurt.
And I got this horrible choice of praline pecan
What is it,
with
Mommy?
a sugar cone.
What the ice cream you get?
I want your,
It's really good, but there went all my calories for the day. Alright, here we go. I think we can. Miniature land. Whoa.
The opposite side.
Wow, that's bright. What is she doing?
We're gonna go on a second ride, you know.
We are?
Yeah, there's like, then we go on the bottom. See that tunnel over there?
Oh yeah.
That's what we go in next.
We're gonna go in there.
Yeah, we switch.
Scary Toad. Oh, sorry. He says we're gonna go in there next. Are you a pro from this train?
And I just want to get this in my backyard.
Yeah? That would be cool, huh?
Yeah, I have a big, big backyard. I have 2 of them.
You could just build your house here. Or you could buy a house behind there.
Yeah, look at
Pop the fence,
Look,
and there you go.
There's the other side of the tunnel.
Oh, that's cool.
It's gonna sound loud.
Is it?
Oh yeah.
This is my first time here. My phone, it doesn't do justice to this. They have this whole building inside, and it's all of these little trains. This is really cool. I've lived here all my life. This is the first time I've been here. Pretty cool. And they have the train running up along top like that, all around the building. It's pretty cool. Let's go walk around. Come on, Gigi. Let's go this way. Let's go look some more. So they got there's the California raisins. You want to see these ones?
Yeah.
Oh, how cool. My other camera is about to die. So I have to use my phone now. It's pretty cool. Come on, let's go down these stairs. These guys are just hanging out there.
That's for the workers.
Of course, Gianna would find the door to go in there.
Come on, go.
My observant child. How cool is that? There's all those little houses. Here comes like another train.